What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a really quick unboxing and first impressions video of the brand new Pioneer DJ XDJ-RR entry-level all-in-one DJ solution. So what we have here is the latest all-in-one DJ system from Pioneer DJ. It works with their Rekordbox DJ. It's a standalone unit, but it can also work with the computer if you want to use this with Rekordbox DJ on your computer, or if you just want to use this with your thumb drives that are running the Rekordbox program. It also runs that directly internally, so that way you can use the screen that's here on board with the XDJ-RR, and you can use all of your functions and features without even plugging this into a computer at any time. So let's take a really quick look at it right now, and within the next 2 weeks, you guys make sure you subscribe to the channel so that way you come right back as soon as we have the in-depth, all-out video review for the XDJ-RR. So let's get right into the unboxing. Alright, so the first thing that we have here today is the power cable. It is not an internal power supply, it's an external power supply, and you can tell that by the way that this thing has a huge brick attached to it. And it also comes with your all-in-one system manual, and I believe you also get a Rekordbox DJ license key right here in the box as well, so that way you can use this with your computer if you want to and you don't actually want to take advantage of all the screens and all of the standalone functionality that the XDJ-RR already has. Let's see what else we got. Alright, so here it is. Even though this thing is pretty compact, it's still pretty heavy, and it's not that much smaller than the XDJ-RX that we'll also review someday soon. But for now, comparing this with the other all-in-one systems out there, it is pretty much almost the same size as those. It might be a little bit smaller. It's a mostly plastic construction, but I can tell they do have a lot of metal reinforcements underneath and in the back and rear top panels. It does have a metal top looking finish to the decks, but those are also plastic as well. You have very similar jog wheels to what's found on the DDJ 400 that we just recently reviewed. You have your big oversized full color screen. It's not a touch screen. You'll have to use all the buttons that are around the screen. And it also has 2 channels of goody playback. And then you also have your 4 backlit pads here. You don't get all 8 as you do on the XDJ-RX2, but you do have 4 pads here, so that way you will be able to do some of your hot cue and other performance features that you guys are used to. So make sure you guys come on back within the next 2 weeks and we'll have that full out video review for you for the XDJ-RR. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up if you like unboxing videos just like this one. And as always, thanks for watching.